Karl Konrad and welcome to Australia's largest immigration news channel, which does not parrot the news in an AI voice. Here you will discover up-to-date reporting on migration law changes and, most importantly, an analysis based upon our 25 years of running a professional practice. This program is proudly presented by Australian Immigration Law Services, right here in the heart of Sydney. Just on an entertainment note first, poor old Peter Dutton, Australia's former immigration minister and now the opposition leader, was out copping flack on his comments about immigration issues this week.
Peter Dutton has been labelled heartless.
The opposition leader joins us now live. Pete, good morning to you. Good to see it. Are you a heartless racist? Do you have any humanity?
It's not a good look, is it? But back on a serious note, there's been a lot of movement in the state's sponsorship arena this week. Firstly, South Australia released its requirements for their sponsorship process and opened its registration of interest system. And Victoria opened their ROI platform as well, and the ACT was offering invitations along with Tasmania. South Australia has now 4 basic streams to choose from: South Australian Graduate, Skilled Employment in South Australia, Outer Regional Skilled Employment and Offshore. For the South Australian Graduate stream, your study must meet the minimum qualification level listed for your nominated occupation on the South Australia Skilled Occupation list. For example, here is Post Office Manager. Even though this is just a diploma level skilled occupation according to ANSCO, on the South Australia occupation list, it requires those wishing to use the graduate stream complete a bachelor degree in South Australia. Now for the graduate stream, you must also have 6 months of post-qualification experience at 30 hours per week in South Australia in your occupation or related occupation. Remember, when South Australia talks about work experience requirements in their state, this is the same for all of the streams. The South Australian definition of related occupation is only the same first 2 ANSCO units of your subgroup, which is a much broader outline than the immigration's definition of closely related, which refers to the same 4 digits in ANSCO. In the skilled employment stream, you must have been residing and working in South Australia for at least the last 12 months. For the outer regional stream, you must have been living and working in the outer regional areas for the last 9 months. But to be honest, this does not seem like much of an incentive to go to Outback South Australia. There is a postcode list on their webpage to check out. And last, there is the offshore stream, where applicants must have a minimum of 3 years of skilled employment in their nominated or related occupation in the last 5 years. South Australia will be assessing candidates on a merit base using the following factors: English language ability, years and field of skilled employment, and an expression of interest points. However, some construction trades on their special list have an easier requirement. Currently, there are just 15 of them. They only need a minimum of 1 year's skilled employment in their nominated or related occupation in the last 3 years. These 15 occupations will be ranked based upon the following factors: years and field of skilled employment, English language ability, and expression of interest points. Now, Tasmania released details of their recent nomination processes. For the 190 visa, 125 of the 2,100 places have been used. 154 are in the pipeline waiting for their applications to be approved. 86 received an invitation to apply to Tasmania but have not yet accepted. And an overall 370 are on hand with their ROIs in place, keeping their fingers crossed. For the 491 visa, 52 of these 760 places have been used. 15 are in the pipeline and 83 have been issued invitations but are yet to apply. And there are 420 hopefuls registered waiting for their next turn. The ACT has issued its invitations too, using the unique Canberra matrix.
No one has ever done anything like this.
That's why it's going to work.
Well, maybe not so unique. Those on the critical skilled occupations, 99 were given for the 190 visa, 73 for the 491. For those who were overseas, 16 were granted for the 190 invitations and 40 for the 491 visa. For more detail on the individual occupations and the points necessary to receive an invitation, you can check out their webpage provided on the resources page. Now it's time to take a look at the immigration processing times, for it's been nearly 3 months since we last reported on the updates. Remember, these figures are the processing times for the 50% percentile of applications, which we are told by the department is the most accurate representation to report on. For the 189 visa processing times, it's now 5 months. For the 190 visa, it's down to an astonishing 3 months, which seems too good to be true, but we shall wait and see. The 491 visa has climbed to 18 months, which sort of matches all the complaints on our channel comments page. For the 191 visa, it is now down to 56 days, which is good news indeed. The 489 visa has been incredibly stagnant at 46 months. The 887 visa is disappointing, creeping back to 6 months. The 300 visa shows another disappointing result at 25 months. The 309 visa has slowly climbed up to 18 months. For the 820 visa, processing has staggeringly increased to 30 months. And yes, I had to check that twice to see that it was correct. As you can see in the screen, it is a very disappointing figure. For the 188A Business Innovation Temporary Resident Applications, it is staying at an annoying 30 months. And we are now including the 186 Employer Nomination Scheme visa numbers. For the direct entry stream, it's about 13 months. The labour agreement stream is at 38 days, and the transition stream is at 13 months also. And finally, we have a new review body on the 17th of October this year. The new Administrative Review Tribunal, the ART, will take over from the current AAT. The government website says the ART will be user-focused, efficient, accessible, independent and fair. We certainly hope so. Remember, if you need assistance, we are always here to help. You can book a consultation by going to our online booking platform on our website. If you need an appointment faster than what is available, give the office a call to see if they can accommodate you. Don't forget to support the channel by hitting the like icon and subscribe if you haven't done so already. As always, take care out there and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.